Alright, so we finally made it to Jollibee. It's a Filipino-based fast food restaurant that serves fried chicken, chicken sandwiches, and spaghetti, and mashed potatoes, and all that stuff. Kind of similar to like our friends at Popeyes. So we'll give it a go, see what it's like, and we'll give you a review. Filming up. Thank you. Finally got our meal. We had to wait a good 10 minutes for it. Chicken sandwiches weren't ready, so I think we got chicken sandwich. Yes, spicy chicken sandwich. It's the deluxe one. I think it's got the veggies on it. Here, like what they did, they gave us a little sign that was no spicy. I guess the orange flavoring didn't give it away. And the regular. What's the gravy for? I know they have mashed potatoes here, but we don't know what the gravy is for. And some drink.
What is it?
It is the pineapple quencher. It says all natural pineapple, but it is, I'm sure it's got a ton of sugar. I want to be basic and start with the regular chicken. See what it is, see what it compares to. Hopefully it compares to like, well, Pollo Campero right now is the standard, right? It's not as spicy, it's not as seasoned as Pollo Campero. It's crunchy, it's hot, it's juicy. 7.5. It's right below Pollo. I wish it was seasoned a little better. But it's not bad. It's in the Popeyes range. It's just not feeling mayo. Yeah, they put a ton of mayo. So that's the chicken sandwich deluxe. This one I eat lettuce. Yeah, Erica's not really a mayonnaise person. I would rock with it. We'll get a little brioche bun. See what it's like. What you think?
Not bad.
What you give it out of 10?
7.
Yeah, it looks about that.
I like Popeyes and Chick-fil-A better.
That's
It's not bad.
a spice.
It's not spicy at all.
You know what goes with it?
What?
Maybe mayo. I'm gonna try the fries now, but it's still kind of hot. Yeah, it's just regular fries. Nothing special.
Ooh.
Not horrible. Don't look. The camera's not on you. Don't worry. What's going on with that? Oh, my bad. It's fatty chicken, you said? It brought down the rating, you think? Ooh, okay. I don't think mayo is going to do anything to make that any better. This is bringing down the rating, huh? Okay, all right. So upon further review, this went from a 7.5 to
2 and 2.
whoa.
The meat just tastes like a bunch of pieces of meat mashed together, not like a
Okay. Okay. All right. So this is what the spicy chicken deluxe you thought you had. So there's a little spice. It's not spicy. All right. So we got the jalapeno. I forgot about that. And this looks like sriracha mayo. You rock with sriracha mayo?
Yeah.
Okay. That's just regular mayo. All right. Let's see. It's heavy. I like this. Got a little bit of jalapeno. The breading is good. Got a little kick to it. Like it's not the normal type spicing. It's based on like the chicken skin. It's more like the mayo, jalapeno, and it's just kind of spicy. So it's layered. Solid 8. Not bad. Just going by looks, I knew this was gonna be better than what you had. Yeah. Sorry
For the record, you ordered this one and you're eating it.
My bad. I didn't read things carefully. I can get this again. I think we're gonna finish this one, right? Okay. I would definitely come back here again. I'll get this. This is good. I like this.
Better than Popeyes.
It's hot. It's been a while since I had the chicken sandwich from Popeyes. I think the last time I had it, people hurt themselves over it. But this is good. Okay. 10 out of 10 for sure.
It's spicy.
It's spicy. Look at them seeds in this. It is definitely spicy. And
Fresh jalapenos.
fresh jalapenos. They look so good. It was good. That's definitely playing a part. Definitely. Would you get it again?
No.
So now I'm going to try the spicy chicken. As you see, a little flag. It's probably a little cooler now since we've ate some of the other stuff before this. So usually chicken is the best when it's fried and it's hot. Let's see. Not having a kick. I thought it would just based with the spicy chicken. Well, yeah. It seems like there's a little bit of a randomness of chicken. Some pieces are good, some aren't. It's not spicy. It's not even peppery. If you just told me this was, it just had this orange color on it. If you just told me this was spicy, I would be like, word? 5 out of 10? But I think the other piece of meat in the other piece, standard piece, was better. Now we have the spaghetti with cheese. Looks like it's kind of the standard cheddar or American. This is congealed a little bit just due to it just sitting here. I don't know how spaghetti goes with chicken, but whatever. So I'm gonna mix, right? So we'll try that. Kind of has a consistency of, if you guys remember the Chef Boyardee ravioli. I lived off those in like junior high and high school, but I don't know if that's what they were going for. It's sweet. It kind of tastes like barbecue sauce. Yeah. It tastes like barbecue. Can you taste it? Please taste it. Please. If it was on the chicken, I think it was great. But it doesn't taste like a tomato-based sauce. It tastes more like, barbecue sauce is tomato-based. It tastes more like it should be on a slab of ribs. I don't know.
What about the cheese?
Cheese kind of like disappeared. Good question. I guess they got a little.
Is that a sausage?
Yeah, they said it in the description.
Can you talk about that?
It's like cut up hot dog and slice it real thin, just throw it in there. It's alright. I mean, I was blindly tested. I was like, why'd you put barbecue sauce, hot dogs, and barbecue sauce in your spaghetti? I don't know. I say 4 out of 10. And I don't know if I did this again. It's a little room temperature too. It's probably our fault because it's the last thing we ate. But we came to eat chicken, not get it. So I don't know if I'll rock that again. Just taste a little bit of it. You're gonna think it's barbecue sauce, trust me. Not a bad barbecue sauce.
So what about the gravy?
Anybody know what this goes on? You got a spoon? I'll try it then. Let me see.
It was either for the chicken or for the spaghetti.
Spaghetti or the mashed potatoes we didn't get, that we didn't order. Swanson? Swanson agreed. Alright. Maybe on some really dry mashed potatoes.
Put them in the spaghetti.
You gonna make me eat this? One thing I do know is that gravy and barbecue sauce don't go together. Mix. I'm gonna get killed in the comments. I don't think this is what it goes for. The smell. Okay, you know? No? Barbecue sauce is so overpowering. The tomato sauce is so overpowering, I can't taste it. It just made it more loose. Alright, so I guess my final rating, what I liked most was definitely the regular chicken. I give that a solid 8. Solid 8, I would eat it again. Probably that and the spicy chicken, which competes with like Popeyes. I mean, I would come back for those. The chicken deluxe, deluxe chicken sandwich. And like Erica was saying, it was kind of like just a bunch of mashed things going on with it. And the quality of the meat didn't taste all that great. I wouldn't give it a 2, it's more in the 4 range. A 4. I would have left the mayo on. I like mayo, but definitely wouldn't get that again. The spaghetti, my friend here, I would like it more if it was goes on ribs. It's pretty good if it was on ribs. It tastes more like barbecue sauce. This, I still don't know what this went to. It's probably, out of everything we had, it probably goes with the chicken most. I give that a 4. The spicy chicken piece I had, I'm big on thigh meat, and that was kind of a thigh. And he took the skin off, it just looked it didn't look too good, it looked a little wonky, and it wasn't spicy. Sometimes when they have stuff that's spicy, but at least you don't really taste the spice, but you'll taste peppers. I didn't taste anything. I wouldn't know spice. It just had like this orange-like color that looked like that. Got this drink, pineapple stuff. This is good. I get the skin. It is really on the sweet end, but it's alright. Would I come again? I was hungry. I was in the area. I know what to get. I did come again, but it's nowhere near Pollo Campero. That still right now is the best chicken spot right now. So yeah, that's really my review. If you guys want to see more videos, I got a video here about Pollo Campero. Got any comments? Let me know down below. Comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.